Welcome guys, so today I'm with Android phone and AKG Y500 wireless headphones, and I'm going to show you how we can link these two devices. So at first we have to grab our headset and then use this power button, this one. We have to drag it like that. When we make it, this indicator will be highlighted on the white, but after a few seconds it will switch to the blue, just like that. It means that right now the headset is visible for other devices, so we can simply open the Bluetooth settings on the phone and then select AKG Y500 wireless from our Bluetooth list. So of course you have to open the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth, and then find headset right here. That's very obvious, right? As you can see, we are successfully connected, and just to be sure that everything is fine, you can tap right here and be sure that phone calls and the media audio is enabled. Right now you will be able to hear the sound for your device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.